Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are returning, you've already subscribed, thank you for watching my videos. In today's video I will be showing you how I put my lashes the way I have done them now. So this video is just exclusively eyelash application, no makeup, nothing. So let's get straight into the video. Ladies, what do we go to with eyelashes like this, looking like this? This is all wrong. You don't put them, they don't need to show some space down there like that. If you are learning or if you don't know and stuff, it's understandable, but I think you have to think twice before you head out looking like this. So putting your eyelashes like this is a no. I am going to show you. So I decided not to put my makeup on papers so that we could just concentrate on the on fixing the eyelashes, so that you can also see what I will be doing, because sometimes with the makeup, eyeliners, black eyeliners, you just don't see where everything is going. As you can see from my natural lashes, they are not much. They're really faint and tiny and small. They are just like that. Mine are just like that. So I will be showing you what to use. For eyelash application, the things that you need are your lashes. I use the strip ones, these ones, and the glue, the gel glue, and then I will also use the mascara. For the glue, I have seen people that use, you know, the black glue, the one for the hair. I've never used that before, so I don't know how that works, but I've seen people use them, but I'm just kind of concerned if that would hurt their eyes. But I do know of a friend who does it, and she said she is totally fine. It never kind of affects her eyes and stuff. So, but all in all, this is the glue that I use. It's an eyelash glue. And you will also need a mirror. So I will now go through the things that you need to fix your lashes. You need your lashes. You need the eyelash glue. You need the mascara. And a small mirror by the side. I use this one. So, taking my mascara, I will lift my natural lashes up. Putting the mascara also helps define, like you would know where your lashes are and all that. I will do the same this side. So you first lift your lashes, you use the mascara, and it just kind of defines your natural lashes. Taking your lashes, for the purpose of this video, I'm kind of using this more defined so you could easily see where everything is going. So these are the lashes I am going to use. I've used these ones before. I just kind of cleaned the strip. So taking that, when you put in your lashes, usually when you buy them, they're kind of longer for me. So I take a little bit at the edge. So the part that comes this side always has the longer lashes than the one that should be in the corner. This side it's shorter and this side it's longer. So that's the part where I just cut just a tiny piece so that it's not too long. So when your lashes are all done like that, I will then take my lash glue and I am going to apply that on the strip. I also ensure that I have put a lot at the edge because it usually fails to stick. When that is done, that's how it looks like. So when that is done, you give it a few minutes, a few seconds, sorry, or you could just blow it, or you could just do that. So you give it a few seconds until the glue is kind of tacky, so like it's kind of, you know, it's kind of sticky. That's what you do. You put your lashes, you do not put your lashes straight just after putting the glue. Others go like, oh no, the glue I'm using is not working. No, it's working. It's just that you're not giving it time to kind of become tacky. So give it a few minutes. You can blow it or just put it aside. I put them aside and then I'll do something else. So look at how it is looking. I will then show you how it looks like when it's ready. For this glue, it kind of changes color when it's ready to be put on your natural lashes. So for the glue that I use, when the lashes are ready, it was kind of looking white. That one. It then kind of started looking blue. But that blue is, when you put it on your lashes, it doesn't show whatsoever. It just kind of disappears. So when that is ready, and for the lashes, I don't use anything fancy whatsoever. I just use my hands because I have failed. You know that stuff that people use to put their lashes? I have failed. I had that I don't even know where I put it, so I just don't use it. So you then get your tiny mirror. So you kind of have a big mirror in front of you, yeah? And then you get a small mirror by your side. So you now need to look down, yeah? This is a big mirror and that's a tiny mirror. So you're looking down into that. When your eyes are like that, you won't fix it. So you look down. I usually start from the center. I kind of stick it from the center. So I hope you can see me. So you look down and you fix your lashes. You take them closer to your lash line. Yeah? You don't put them on top there, no. You take them closer, like that, and it holds. Like that. So look, to make it hold, I kind of use the edge of one of my eyeshadow brushes. So using that, I just go in like that. So it just sticks down nicely. And then I do that. I'm kind of squeezing the lashes, so my natural lashes and the false eyelashes together, so there isn't that much difference. At this point, do what works best for you. but you have to be careful, don't poke your eyes. Do what works best for you. There we go. And my lashes are all fixed. I will do the same this other side. Like I said, I've used these lashes before, so they've kind of got some glue down there. But yeah. So that's how I fix my eyelashes, guys. We are all done. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's bye till next time. Bye.